Upscale? Laid back? Rowdy? What's your style? No matter what your pleasure, the Fort Lauderdale area has loads of nightlife to indulge your senses. Set aside one night to go out in Hollywood, south of downtown Fort Lauderdale. To get you going, here are some insider tips on the best places to get your groove on. Your night begins with a drink at sunset at the Nikki Marina restaurant. The plush white couches, private dining beds, and sexy lighting make you feel like a VIP.
We are one of the most eclectic, jet-set, upscale, but still fun atmosphere located here on the Intercoastal Waterway. We are known for our seafood as well as our nightlife. You can come, dock, eat on your boat if you like. You can lounge and get the sun, as well as come in and enjoy the beautiful atmosphere that we have inside, which are all second to the food.
Once the sun sets, walk just across the courtyard to Rivals Sports Bar and Grill for dinner and more drinks. It's a more laid-back atmosphere, but Rivals offers something totally different than what you'd expect out of a sports bar.
It's a sports bar, but it's really not a sports bar. We find the menu to be the same as many of the high-end restaurants, but it happens to have television where we can watch sports.
When I heard it was a sports bar, I sort of had trepidations, but they have an incredible menu, they have an incredible wine list. The staff is awesome.
Here at Rivals, we've created a concept that is like no other in South Florida. From Fort Lauderdale all the way to Miami, there is no such thing as a gourmet sports grill. Here we are 5-star, we use nothing but the finest products. We were voted the 3rd best sports bar in the state of Florida. To me, we're #1.
The bartenders at Rivals are proud of their signature martinis. These drinks are so unique that the recipes are kept in a lockbox.
They're all made with our high-end liquors that we can't even find in stores here if we go to make them ourselves. A lot of them are beer-teenies also. The apple martini is a beer-teeny, so it has a little bit of beer in it to give it that effervescence, make it really light and almost a little sweeter, but we can't tell you which one it is.
By now, your martini adrenaline has set in. It's time to head just 1 mile north to Taverna Opa for a change of pace, a big change of pace.
Opa!
The Greek word opa doesn't have an exact translation, but we're pretty sure it means something fun. You can come in for an authentic Greek dinner, but you'll really want to stay to dance on the tables and watch thousands of napkins shower down all around you.
It is an absolute must on your list.
The food is excellent, the entertainment is great, just a great place to visit.
Impossible to stand still when you're at Taverna Opa.
It's happening every night, it's every night celebration.
Opa's owner personally invites you to experience nightlife that's truly unique to Hollywood.
Experience fun, celebration, and excitement. The celebration of life. Dance on the tables and forget your problems at home.
No matter what your style is, the greater Fort Lauderdale area has something for you. We guarantee it.